Okay, so, hi. Me again. Yeah. Made a video about an hour ago. And, gonna try to see my door. Now, I ain't that damn thin. Shit. Think I'm gonna squeeze my fat out. Alright, shit. Alright, hold on. Here we go. Ow. Crap. Shit. Now, mind you, this was an hour ago that I was out here. It has gotten increasingly worse. I could still make out my damn steps. Alright, let's try this shit again. Alright, well, shit. Whoa. Alright. Damn. People, I cannot stress enough how ridiculous this shit is. Now, mind you, there's poor little Black Betty. She black and white. She like an Oreo or some shit. That was a joke. Whoa. Okay. Yeah. My gloves are in the car. My hat is in the car. And why is there only one windshield wiper up? Did I lose a windshield wiper? Oh, shit. Come on now. That's some weird shit. Look at them. Like little dead things in the snow. I feel bad. Wow. Ugh. Okay. So we're going to go out to the road again. Because I can play in the street because there ain't no damn traffic. Not a plow, not a... Oh, shit. Oh, wait. Oh, God. Look at this. Somebody's going to attempt it. Please don't hit me. I don't want to die. Oh, yeah. Screw you and your all-wheel drive. Ugh. Wow. Ugh. I can't... Like, it's crazy. Complete whiteout over here. Up! Ha! You slid into a snowbank. Smart. People. Crazy. Ain't no tow truck gonna come get you. You better push. That's right. Just push.